Think your medical degree guarantees your future? Think again. Right now, AI is learning to read X-rays, detect brain tumors, and predict lab results faster than humans. The doctors who get replaced won't be replaced by AI. They'll be replaced by doctors who know how to use AI. Want to get ahead?
Islamabad Medical and Dental College and Dr. Usman Hadi of Ulster University, Belfast, UK, is launching a 1-month AI in Healthcare certification this August.
My name is Dr. Usman Hadi and I am an academic at Ulster University here in the UK. I am recognized as top 2% researcher globally and have expertise in AI. I am super excited to lead the AI Health course in summers.
It's weekend-based, open to everyone, and completely hands-on. Comment AI below and I'll send you the link.